Forget passive saving. True wealth is forged through active investment. The Millionaire Blueprint isn't a secret, it's a disciplined approach to capital growth. Harness the power of compound interest, your money earning money, snowballing over time. Start small, but start now. Consistency is the ultimate wealth accelerator. Diversify your portfolio across proven assets like growth stocks and strategic real estate. Avoid speculative traps. Genuine wealth builds steadily, not overnight. Educate yourself continually, understanding market trends and economic shifts. Embrace patience. The biggest gains often materialize for those with long-term vision. Every dollar invested today is a seed for future financial freedom. This isn't just about accumulating money. It's about unlocking infinite possibilities. Implement these steps, and watch your financial destiny transform.